Hey guys, and welcome back to another month of the Digital CEO Pro Academy. This month, you are in for a treat because if you haven't noticed already, it's not just me that you get to listen to. I have brought in an expert guest speaker to talk to you guys today. Our topic this month is building your brand. I am so excited to introduce Lee Aldridge. She is the CEO and founder of Soul Story Creative. And she has been in the branding business. She's a branding strategist and a branding expert. She's been in the business for over 40 years. And she was telling me about how she kind of reinvented herself about 10 years ago. And she's doing some amazing things. I've had the blessing of working with her on several different projects, both for clients and for Soul Story Creative. So we've had a lot of fun and a lot of different projects. So I'm super excited to introduce to you Lee. Lee, would you like to tell everybody here a little bit more about yourself before we start diving into the content of building your brand? Welcome, Lee.
Thank you, Rebecca. And you covered it really well. I'm sure through this time we have together, much more will come out. But I just want to thank you. I want to thank your audience. Thank you all for spending your busy day here with us today. And welcome. I hope you can find something. Rebecca and I have had a blast. We love the projects we've worked on together and hope that we can serve you guys in a way that really moves you forward personally and professionally.
Absolutely. And I have to also mention that every topic that we're planning on talking about today could easily be an entire course. And in fact, Lee has entire courses about each one of these topics, but we're just going to dive into the core elements of what you need to know to really help you in your business on building your brand. And this might be even if, and so you may be thinking, well, I don't need this because I've been in business for a while. And the reality, rightly, is that at every point in our business, we need to look at our brand, look at our strategy, look at what we're doing in developing our brand and moving forward in our business, correct?
It's so true. And whether you're just starting out with this inspired idea or you've been in business for a while, you can approach it. You can approach it professionally. And that means, branding. And what is branding? And
Well, that's
why
what we're
is
going to
that
talk
so
about in the next video. We're going to start off with exactly what branding is, because you may think you know what branding is, but I would wager to guess that you probably have not realized the full story of exactly what branding is. So are you guys ready to jump in? We're about to have some fun. So jump on into the next video and we're going to jump into branding. Here we go.